Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover AshSwap. This is a DX on MultiversX blockchain. This is a free airdrop video, and like always in my videos we are going to do a little bit of review about the project and the step-by-step on how to get this airdrop. This is a confirmed airdrop, so we are going to follow the original steps, the official steps that AshSwap launched. So an airdrop is going to happen for sure to this project. And remember, we already covered more than 50 airdrops, and you can see all that in my airdrop organizer. This is a link for free in the description of the video. And if you want to be serious about the airdrops and crypto and how to make money here, you can join the Discord channel and you can use and join to my application. So you have these two subscriptions that you can get. And in this video you can see how my application will help you to register and apply to all the airdrops and have everything organized, even if you use multiple wallets. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, AshSwap is the very first stable swap, an essential pillar in any DeFi ecosystem, and is built on MultiversX blockchain. And if you don't remember, Multiverse is the previous Elrond Blockchain. If you don't remember that, they changed the name, I think 1 year ago, a little less maybe. They want to dedicate more to gaming and of course Multiverse for Metaverse and that kind of niche. And it's in position 48, guys. The price is 39, but you can see that the all-time high 1 year ago was 545. So we are really more than 10x from that price. So this is an important project, has been on the top 100 like for years already. So it's the first time that I am covering an airdrop on this platform, and probably I'm going to continue doing that. So we are welcoming today with AshSwap. Regarding what the DX is and what things you can do, like always, you can swap, enter into liquidity pools and DeFi structure. They have an infrastructure of the DeFi ecosystem, so you can do anything that you can do in another DX. The website is ashswap.io, and one thing that I really liked of the website was the public information of the team, with all the LinkedIn links to each of the team's members. So that kind of transparent, I really like it. They have, for example, the founder, which is from Vietnam. He's actually very knowledgeable in blockchain, and you can see all his experience here on the blockchain ecosystem as a founder right now of AshSwap, but has been in another projects. So I really like the transparency of being able to look the team and the founders and everything about this project. Also in terms of followers, 34k in Twitter, and the Twitter is actually really interesting, a lot of news about the project always. I couldn't find how much money they have to this project and which are more big investors. So what you have here as investors, you can see Elrond is helping this. You have Swissborg and some other venture capitalists that I'm not familiar with them. And some partners that you can see here also. But yeah, I don't know the amount of money that they have, so I really can't speculate on how much they are going to put for this airdrop. And everything for this airdrop is going to be in this Medium link that I will post in the description also. Here you can see how you can get the airdrop, and the airdrop campaign is confirmed. So doing what I'm going to show you, it's going to give you more chances to be whitelisted for the AshSwap airdrop campaign. And in order to get this, you need to get points for your airdrop. And you get points doing a couple of things. Using the DX exchange, the Devnet exchange, you get 400 points for each transaction. Helping to share this article, you have 300 here, 2000 points here with posts from custom quests. And if you find any bug, you get more than 10k in points. You have bonus rewards, and you have Discord roles that will help you also and get more Ash points. We don't know the relationship of how many ash points you need, but of course, as more ash points you have, more possibilities for the airdrop you have. So this is an ongoing thing that you are going to need to do. Every day or the time to time, you will need to go and do these steps to get more ash points. Guys, and this airdrop is a little bit tricky, so stay with me until the end. You need to see all the video to make it easy after. And to make it more easy, actually, remember that you have my subscriptions. I am doing more updates in the application. I have many people give me feedback and I am updating stuff for the app. So we are going to have more functionality that was asked by Julian, one of the Discord members that is really testing the application and using it. And I received a lot of thank you comments for the application, actually really make you easy. And if you want to see how the app works, you can see this video down here. This is cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions, and everything is happening in our Discord. So you can go here and pay one of the subscriptions. Guys, the subscription more cheap is only $5. It's less than many transactions in Ethereum blockchain. So you can see and think that way. It's really cheap. And my application, for my perspective, also is really cheap because it will help you like a lot with airdrops. Now let's go to the step by step. If you are a subscriber, you maybe are tired that I repeat this, but step 1 is follow them on Twitter. Step 2 is join the Discord. You are going to need roles for this. I think that sometimes you will need to have like a lot of time to do this, but you need to join both social media, at least these two. So step 1 and 2 is follow them on Twitter and Discord. Now the step 3 is that you need to install what previously was called Mayar wallet and now is called MultiversX wallet for the MultiversX blockchain. Here I put the link to the Chrome extension. If you want to use that, that is what I'm going to use for the video. So if you go there, you can see it here. So guys, when you have the extension, you need to click on create a new wallet. It's going to pump the key phrase that you need to download, the different words. Keep that safe. Then you need to continue, put the password. It's like any other wallet that you can create for an extension. It's really easy, so we are not going to show everything here. After you install the wallet, the step 4 is once you got the wallet, you need to change from Mainnet to Devnet. And you can do this here. You can see that when you created the wallet, you see something like this. Of course, you can see your activity, send and deposit. And here you see main, so you can change that. This is your wallet, by the way, your wallet address. And here in Multiverse Mainnet, you can change it to testnet on Devnet, so go on Devnet. And stay there. You need to be in Devnet, remember. Step 5, after you get the wallet in Devnet, you need to get some Faucet tokens, some EGLD token from this link. Go to this link. And guys, all this is in the description here. Those links are the official links that you can follow them on the AshSwap program here. Everything is explained here, and also in the Discord channel you get the information. So clicking this link, I know that looks funny, but it's actually the official link, the Faucet link for that. And you can see the link here also in the documentation of the Faucet. You go to this link and you are going to see this page. Here you need in network, select Devnet. In asset, you keep the EGLD. Here you put your address, and here you put the amount that you can get. This is a max of 1 of this amount, so you only can get 1 token. It's okay, it's all you need. So here you need to copy your address. You are in Devnet, so copy there, paste there, and click submit. You will see that this is processing the transaction and is added to the list. So you need to wait some time, and you can do it only 1 time per day, of course. And after some time, you are going to see that you have 1 token here, 1 EGLD. So like you can see, I have 1 token here. The value is $39. Remember, this is fake tokens. You can see the transaction that I received. Now we need to go to AshSwap Faucet tokens. This is the link, the official link for Devnet. We need more tokens now. First, you need the EGLD token because you need to use it to pay transactions on step 6. So step 6, you go to the link. You need to connect here the wallet. So use Mainnet web extension. once you are connected, you need to select here if you want Ether or USDC, and then you can get Rapid Bitcoin or Rent BTC. I will click these two. After some time you can click another ones. Just select what you want there and click on claim. Confirm. Now you can see here the claim is running. And you can see after a minute, let's try out the AshSwap Devnet. You have claimed your asset, be the best strategy. So now go to AshSwap Devnet. Now we pass into step 7, where we need to interact with the application and get points. Remember, you have 400 points for each daily transaction, and you can do 8 per day. You can exchange, add liquidity, remove liquidity, enter farm, exit farm, claim rewards, increase amounts and unlock amounts. The link here, if you have doubts to the documentation, you can go there. And here you can have the guides, for example, for swap and trade. You have everything here, guys. I'm not going to do everything in this video because everything is explained in this link, and this link is in one of the steps. So you can see how to swap, how to enter liquidity and everything there. First, we are going to connect the wallet. Here you need to select the wallet to be connected. If you click this button, you go to the quest. Here are the quests that you need to do. You need to link also your Twitter and Discord to be connected with this. And you are going to need to do quests that will give you different points. That is also explained here in the Ash point how to earn. So you have, like I mentioned, daily tasks to do here on the platform. Share these articles, have more points if you discover issues. You can streak a quest and more stuff about that here, guys. So read this so you understand exactly how you can get points here. So now you can see that I register with my Twitter, so it's linked there. Now you click on register. Well, the register button is not working, guys, right now, but I need to continue with the video. So I already asked in the Discord. It was working yesterday. I did with another account and work it. So the website here is not working, the Devnet so well. So be patient with that, guys. This is still ongoing. But you can see here that after you confirm and you check everything here, after you connect with Discord or Twitter, then you can see here you need to check the list of current quest lists and complete them, then click claim to take your Ash points reward. So completing the quests here are part thing of you can do to claim the rewards. This is enter a farm, add the liquidity and everything like that. So from here is where you are going to go and do the swaps and do everything so you can claim this. And the last step here, guys, with each recurrent step, if you are using my app, step 7 and step 8 are recurrent. You need to check for bugs so you can post them. You need to post in Medium and more and get Discord roles. So you can complete the daily quest, you can complete custom quest, and you can complete streak quest. These are the 3 ways to get Ash points. Why the Ash point utility? Increase your chances of having AshSwap Airdrop whitelisted. Redeem special roles on AshSwap Discord community. And you have the opportunity to appear in honor of individuals who have been actively contributed to the AshSwap project. And many other interesting use cases in our next Ash point update. Guys, sorry to interrupt the video, but you can see that in the Discord they have put today that they have been stopped giving out roles at the moment. Getting points doesn't equal to roles, so you gain points from doing quests, but it doesn't mean you will get the role. So they say for those that don't have the role, please focus more on quests to gather your points. And they put here some link if you want to check. So basically the roles, guys, are stopped. It was not like that a couple of days ago, but anyways, so you can focus on doing the different quests on the application to get the Ash points. Well, guys, sorry if this video was a little more confusing than usually. If you have any question, put it in the comment section, please. Let's keep alive the comment section. It's a little confusing, I can understand that. You can see many things has been changing on the last days on this project. So I am trying to do my best, like always, to make it easy for you, but this time was a little more tricky. But anyways, all these points are valid. Just in point 8, you right now cannot get Discord roles for this, but you can focus on the rest of the things. Guys, that is all for AshSwap. And remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and consider joining to one of the subscriptions for the Discord where everything is happening right now. The community is growing there, and we are sharing many airdrops. We talk about the distribution of a couple of airdrops that already happened, like plenty, like what happened with AshSwap, TT protocol. So we are sharing a lot of interesting and things that you need to know if you are in an airdrop world in the Discord channel. And my application, I recommend you to check the video, it's really worth it, and we are doing some new stuff there. That will be all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.